Hey, if you are an independent contractor or a freelancer or receive a 1099 at the end of the year, this message is for you. You, as a 1099 income, are allowed to deduct business expenses of your income to reduce your tax liability at the end of the year. If you don't know how to do this, I have a free P&L, profit and loss template on my website that walks you through how to categorize your income and your expenses for the end of the year filing of your tax return. So some of the things that I would recommend is go over and see what expenses you can claim as a business expense and to reduce your income, and also take advantage of the home office deduction. Okay,